Today, compared to the rest of my itinerary, is a very chill day, and I'm doing everything that I love, and I'm gonna take you along. 10:15 a.m. now, and we need to rush because we're getting really late for something that we've booked. Bro, edits really rage baits me sometimes. Like, I thought I'll edit before we reach, but I feel like this is not going to end up loading only. Of course, I was gonna find a dance studio here. How could I not dance? And luckily, there were Afro classes happening, which is exactly the style I would want to go and learn. And I'm really excited. I have 15 minutes to spare because I'm here early, which is very rare. But yeah, I'm gonna hope that I'm able to edit my video a little, or at least download it on it. We're done with class, and now I'm headed for breakfast. I'm trying watermelon with lemon, and I never tried that before. Let's hope it tastes nice.
Eh? Eh?
Wow. They have this vending machine. I'm supposed to give a Google review and try it. That is really cool. Love the coat. This is so cute. I'm going to explore the stores that are right outside. By the way, that was stacked. This is literally claw clip heaven. I'm loving these ones, these mini ones, and this one. So cute, so funky. Yes. Yeah. I'm going to walk this entire street and like explore the shops because I don't know like exact shop names. So I'm just gonna walk.
1 hour later.
I really want to go to this store. See. This store looks really good. I think I'm gonna go check it out. I picked out this bag. It looks really good, but I'm not sure if it's my personal style. It's so good, but if you're in Bali, you should definitely come here. I'm loving this ring. I just don't know if it's worth the money. Oh my god. I have two options. This is one, and the other one is this one. I feel like this is too much silver and it's not even looking that great. I feel like this one would go best. We're gonna grab some water before we continue the shopping. We've officially come to the end of the street, and now I came across a store called Kiss and Thrill. It looks so cute, you have to see it. The store was really nice. It had really good collection, but you know, this is the problem with most stores here. All their bikini stores, they're just not compatible with Indian chest size. Like, I think their largest should be 32, 33 bust, and that's just so sad. But I'm so glad I actually got my bikinis from Bombay, because otherwise I would have been stranded. We're now walking to this place called Growl. They do smoothies, and I'm really excited to try one. Getting all my steps in for like every day. I won't even need to work out once I'm back. I feel like I'm going to be losing weight on this trip. The roads are extremely steep here, but so fascinating. For all those looking for nice quad sets and dresses, this is the place. It's called Be Kind. They have these custom tops, which are beaded, which you all generally get customized. They have it ready-made here. You just need to know what to wear under this, but this is so beautiful. This is the store. Stopping at every shop I like before I reach the smoothie place, because that's how I'm exploring the entire market, because I obviously can't know every shop that's great. So only by walking will I be able to explore it, right? Just saw a temporary tattoo studio and I was gonna get it done, but they had like really big sizes, and the smaller ones would last up to 4 weeks, which was too big of a commitment. I'm at Changu's one-stop shopping and I found this beautiful jewelry. This is the smoothie bar. It's called Growl and it looks like this. It's really cute and I can't wait to try their drinks. Woo! Was this really worth the hype? Maybe not. Is it like a good one-time thing? Yes. Solid 6 on 10. I'm now on my way back. We're gonna rest for some time and then head out again. I'm expecting someone to come, so we'll be heading out with her. My solo trip is not that solo anymore, and I can't wait. We decided to make a quick stop at this place called Mode Fashion Market. I've heard a lot about it. I want to go check it out. And it's right next to my hotel, so why not? And she's gonna take another 30 minutes to come, so I'll be done by then. Literally rushing. Bali's traffic got me delayed. But she's reached the hotel and checked in, and now I'm going to see her. Tanny! After I met Tanny, where did we go?
Altamont.
We went for a very nice dinner. We had pesto pasta and a burrata pizza, and now we're laying and we're just finding content to make for y'all. I just took a shower and that's a wrap on today's vlog. I'm gonna see you in the next one.